Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba o Konrad ke Sangmau lai thu baka Presiden kari ka Draupadi Murmu kala banwan jungo e ka Meghalaya mentau banai nai lur bat hagani ka jingwan jongka kan yo ru ban Plie ki katu kat ni teli ki project kan thop ka Borough kawai ni giyeng basa nong ba shalong kabala sa teng la bun posnam bat menta la ban te pendap yaka habakali shapang ka jing Plie ka Borough o Konrad ulai thu baka dan ka jing penkala khendiat namar ba ka sarkar jila kadang ap ya ka por ban pentikna ya ka jingwan jungo ka Presiden ya ka jila ba dang penkre ru ya ki katu kat ni teli ki project na ka benta ban Plie da ka Presiden ulong ba ka jing ya kran banwan ka Presiden chakani ka jila kala dan bala khami lenti ba ka por bakan wan kandai haswa ban kut ka dorbar senrai ka yung dorbar thawan ka jilla kata ka khatsau tarek ni khatsan tarek mentau nailur arajar arpuar
issues in this. First issue was that we had input and a communication that the Honorable President of India is may come to Shillong, and we had been asked to give a list of probable projects that could be inaugurated by her. And in that list, we had put the Borough Taj also, because we felt that it would be very appropriate if she inaugurated that. And once we did that, of course, we had to, move the dates from 7th, and we waited for communication. And so we have not received the communication, but we have got an unofficial input that private properties and Taj is something that they would like to avoid, and they would like to go for government projects. So hence, we have decided that we'll continue with our inauguration, but the dates have been shifted by about a week's time. I'm not sure exactly if it's 14th or 15th or 16th, but definitely before the session ends, we will be inaugurating the Taj. And of course, there were some papers where it said something that has been shifted again, and there's some, these kind of small works here and there could happen. They might want to change a bulb, they might want to change something here and there, which I really don't know. But the 7 dates were finalized, and once we had information that President's coming, we waited for the communication from the Presidential Secretariat. And once we got the communication, we decided that we're going to go ahead. So I expect that before the session ends, either on 14th or 15th or 16th, I can't remember the dates right now, but it will be done before the end of the assembly session.
So to supplement the...
And therefore, this will be, of course, the process will be followed by the concerned organizations or companies that are going to run it. But I'm sure that there will be large number of vacancies that will be there, and we have a large number of qualified people who are local who will be getting jobs out there. I don't have the list of who's going to work and who's going to get a job there or not. As I said, it's a private entity, and they will follow their own process. But I'm sure that through this, directly as well as indirectly, a large number of people will get employment, and we're hopeful that very soon after that we will be also then inaugurating the Courtyard Marriott. That is also in the pipeline, and we expect that also within maybe 30 days to 60 days time. We should expect that around the time when the different festivals are going on, we should be able to start the Courtyard Marriott also. So these are two great properties coming up, and in the coming months we'll be... I didn't want to share this with you because we don't have a confirmation in writing. This is more on the phone calls and communication that came to us. Of course, they asked us for a list of projects, but yes, there is a chance that she will be coming to Northeast first, the Honorable President. But obviously, we have not got a written communication on the dates yet.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.